All right, so this is my Stihl MS251C. It's been sitting, I'd say at least 2 years. I can't even remember the last time I started it. Let's see if there's any gas in it. Yeah, it looks like there's over half a tank, perfect. I know there's bar oil in it, but I'll just double check. Oh, it's actually a little low. Let me get some bar oil for this. Hold on 1 second. All I could find is this old Poland stuff, but that's better than nothing. I remember the last time this was running. It was December or November of 23. So a little over a year. It should fire right up. Go ahead and prime it. Go ahead and give it a couple primes. Oh, there we go. Let it warm up for a minute. There we go. That's why I buy Stihl.